Now in session 5, we are going to see how we are going to work with files. We are going to see the general things, how we can copy, delete, cut, paste and move the files from here. So here we are going to start with our virtual machine and we'll open our terminal. Now here I'll create one file with name demo.txt. Cat demo.txt. Now I'll add some content on this file. So this is, we have added a file, we have saved the file, we'll check the content of the file. Yeah, it's saved now. So now what I am going to do, I want to copy this demo.txt in the same location with different name. So how we are going to copy? For that we have command cp copy. We have the command cp and the parameter is in such a way: copy space original file name space, and you need to define the path of where you need to copy the duplicate file. So here I want to copy in the same location, so I don't need to define any path. I'll directly define the new name for this particular file. So I can give demo1.txt. So we can check both the files has been created, demo1 and demo.txt. We can check the content of the file by giving cat demo.txt and demo1.txt. Both the file contents are same because they are copied files. Now we are going to copy the file but in different location. So for that we'll give command. We'll see with the two files here. I'll create a directory here with name abc. So it is created on desktop. So now I want to copy this particular file. For that, first I'll move into directory abc. There is nothing in the file, so I'll move out of directory. Now I want this file demo.txt to be copied in abc. So I'll came in on desktop. Now I'll give command so cp demo.txt and where I want to copy the file. So you know the desktop is a root desktop, so I have to define the complete path. So space slash, or we can use dot, that is a wildcard, dot represent the same directory slash abc. So it is showing desktop. On the desktop you have abc. So we can just move into abc and we can check whether the file is been done. We can check the content of the file. So it is cat demo.txt. So it is the file which I have copied from my desktop. So in spite of giving the whole path, I have just given dot. That means the current directory abc. Now same way, if I want to copy demo.txt space, if I don't use dot, I can give the complete path. So I want to give directly on desktop any particular location. So I'll give desktop abc slash, we can define the new name for the file, renamed file. So here what I did, I copied demo.txt in the same location, but I have defined the path, complete path. You can see this is the renamed.file. Renamed file is over here itself. So this is how you can define the path itself. We can check the content of renamed files. This is the same. So we have seen how to copy a file. Now I want to copy a directory. Now already we have a directory demo abc. So for that we can use cp space -r. So what it will do, it will copy a directory along with the subcontents. So right now if I'm using cp command abc, so it will show me, so it will showing me error omitting directory abc. So for that we need to use cp space -r. So it will show you the recursive. So abc with name, I want to copy it as xyz. So it is, you can see it has been copied. abc is copied with name xyz. So you can see the content of xyz. It should have both the files which we had in abc. So we have demo.txt and rename.file. So we have seen how to copy a file in same location, different location, or copy a directory. Now you can also sometimes use command space -avr. So what happens when you copy a file? I'll just copy ABC with different name here. So it will show me the progress rate as well. Alright, so I'm going to copy ABC with name PQR. You can check. It is showing me how it is copied. So it is copied ABC to PQR. Before that it is copied demo.txt and then the rename.txt. So it will show you the progress rate, complete progress rate. How many files have been copied? Step by step, it will show you the everything. AVR is nothing but your all verbose recursive file. So here we have copied ABC to PQR. It will be the same copied what we had, but only the thing is it will show you the progress rate. Only R will not show you the request rate. Sometimes it may happen like some files are not getting copied or some errors are forming. So you can even do it forcefully by using a -f. You can even use -f to avoid the queries. Sometimes you are deleting a file or copying a file. It may ask you for the query. You don't want a query to be asked, so you can use -f. So here we are copying a folder ABC. And I'm using -f, -r, -f, that is -r for recursive and f for forcefully. Right? So you can use -f. Even we can use it for deleting the file, which we will see later on. Now if I want to delete a file, now how we can see a deleted file or directory? So first I'll use the command rm for removing or deleting a directory. So first I'll remove a file demo1.txt. So you can see the demo1.txt. Now it is asking for the confirmation very first. Yes, so I have to define confirmation yes. If I don't want to delete it, I'll press no. So if I press no, you can see the file is still there. Now again I'll go for removing the file. Now if I'll press yes, so it will delete a file. You can check. So it will always ask you for a confirmation. Now you want to avoid this confirmation. What you can do? You can delete the demo.txt and I don't want any confirmation to be asked, which is asking over here. So I'll press no, and for removing this confirmation, I'll give command rm space -f and demo.txt. So it will delete my file or remove a file without confirming to me. And check demo.txt and enter. It is deleted. Now we'll just check by giving command ls and say demo and demo1. Both are not here, right? So this is how you can delete a file with confirmation and without confirmation. Now if I want to delete a directory, the same way, rm space, we have to define. If we directly give dbc or whatever the file pqr we have, so it will show it is not directory or you have a bad parameter. So for that, we will give command rm space -r and then the folder name or directory name. For example, I want to delete dbc. So it's asking me for the confirmation. So for each and every file, it will ask me for the confirmation. So if I don't want to delete any particular file with using the confirmation, because if you have a number file, it will ask you for each and every file. I want to delete it forcefully, so I'll give command rm space -rf and then we can delete the directory. Now you can see it didn't ask me for the confirmation and the directory is deleted. This is how we can delete a directory and file. Now we will see the other commands as well. Now we are going to see how we are going to rename a file or how we are going to remove a file. So now if I want a demo.txt, I am going to create a file so that we can rename it. So I want to rename the demo.txt here. Renaming it, we will be using move mv demo.txt with the new name practice.txt. Here, this command plays a double role. Generally mv can also be used for moving a file or cut paste a file. Even we can use this particular command for renaming a file. So what it does, it remove the file demo.txt, cut it from here. It will paste it over here itself with the new name. So it is how we are renaming a file. So we don't have a different rename of command for in Linux. So mv we will be using for renaming a file. You can check. See, the practice.txt is available with the same text which we have added in our demo.txt. Now, if I want to move practice.txt in a directory which is there in my on my desktop XYZ folder,